Hi guys, and welcome to another video from Technik. Today we're going to be having a quick look at how to remove these two little buttons which are located on the driver's front door card down at the bottom here. This is for the tow away and the alarm sensor. Okay, so that's this little double switch down here. This is for the A4, S4 and RS4. The B6 and the B7 all have this type of switch. So let's take a look. So the first thing you have to do, unfortunately, is to remove the door card. You can't remove any of the switches from any of the four door cards on the B6 or the B7 without first removing the actual door card itself. So this is the first thing you need to do. We've actually already produced a video on how to remove your door cards, so if you're uncertain on how to do that, we'll add a link for you below this video on YouTube in the more information section. If you scroll down below this video, we'll have a link on the door card video there. So if you're unsure, have a quick look at that video, get your door card removed, come back, and then we can focus on actually getting these switches out. So now we have access to the rear of the door card here. We can focus on getting this switch removed. First thing we need to do is get this electrical connection disconnected. There's a little plastic tab there, give it a wobble, and that'll pop out like so. So the next thing we need to do to get this switch removed, if you look at the switch itself, that's this unit here. It sits within the door card. You can kind of see the break between the two. In the door card at the back there, you can see there's a little hole, and another little hole over this side as well. And it's the same on the direct opposite side. It has kind of four plastic barbs on it, on the switch, that click into these little plastic slots. So that's what we need to kind of focus on to get this removed. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grip the switch lightly. You can hear me clicking it there. Grip it lightly from the front. I'm just going to lift these up, and I'm going to gently push it in from the rear, like so. Now what you'll find is that's actually what normally happens, is once you get two removed, the other two just pop out. As you can see there. So what I was doing there on the rear, I was actually pushing that switch in as I was trying to release the barbs on the inside there. So I was putting a little bit of pressure, not too much, on the face of the switch in there, and I released these two barbs, and as soon as those two were released, the whole thing just popped out. So that's your switch removed and good to go.